How to create a story collage on Instagram. Open Instagram app, swipe right. You're going to click on the arrow icon and click on layout. You can change the layout by clicking on the 4 box. You can choose 2 pictures or 3 pictures. I'm going to use the default one, which is 4 pictures. Click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Choose a photo. Click there again and choose another photo of your choice. This is what you're going to do until you fill it up. When you are done, you click on the checkmark icon. And now you can post it on your story. So that's how you post or make a picture collage on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.